Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the integration and transfer of new contacts from Zoho Inventory to the Mailchimp email marketing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, in Mailchimp you can create new contacts and set up email campaigns for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. We choose the system Mailchimp. Next, you need to select an action. Add contact. At this stage you need to connect your Mailchimp account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account Mailchimp. Then go to Profile Settings. Now go to the Extras API Key section. Click Create API Key. Next, you need to enter a name for the key. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select a list in which new contacts will be added with each new contact from Zoho Inventory. You now see the Mailchimp fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Zoho Inventory to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Mailchimp as new contacts for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Mailchimp. After successful sending, go to Mailchimp and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Mailchimp data ingestion setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.